Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with LoopNet for multifamily listings step by step clearly. Navigate to your preferred web browser. Type in the LoopNet website URL. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top. Select the search filter for property types. Choose multifamily from the drop-down options. Enter the desired location in the search bar. Adjust the budget and other filters to suit your needs. Click the search icon to view the listings. Browse through the results displayed on the page. Click on any listing that catches your interest. Review the details provided on the listing page. Take note of key information such as pricing and unit counts. Look for the contact information for the listing agent. Use the provided contact methods to reach out for further inquiries. If needed, create a LoopNet account for additional features. Fill in your profile details to enhance your visibility. Set up alerts for new multifamily listings in your specified area. Regularly check your email for these alerts. Continue exploring listings and contacting agents as needed. Stay updated by frequently visiting LoopNet for new opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.